Taurus. Eto na ang hinihintay. This is a Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Taurus? Kamusta ang puso? Alright. Let's see kung anong meron para sa mga Taurus this month of January. Okay? Remind ko lang ulit kayo ng ating sale para sa ating mga crystals. Ongoing pa rin ang sale hanggang end of December. So, PM nyo lang ako. Okay? Para sa ating mga crystals. And also, I just want to remind you dun sa mga nagme-message sa inyo. Hindi ako magme-message sa inyo isa-isa. If you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. Okay? At ang nag-iisang account ng Mystic Siren ay Kai_Angeles. Alright. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay? Ingat-ingat po. And, yeah. PM lang. So, the Queen of Swords, yung feminine sa connection na to ay nagkaroon na ng real talk. Napapagod na siya. And, kumbaga is, the feminine in this connection is trying to heal. Nasaktan siya, na-disappoint siya. At sabi niya is, parang ayaw na niya munang mag-effort for this connection. Okay? Nagkaroon ng overthinking about building this connection, pero hindi ko naman nakita na may breakup. For now, nasa same old cycle pa rin kayo, energetically connected pa rin. The Ace of Swords energy is you feel trapped to this connection. Kahit sabihin natin mga may misunderstanding, hindi mo naman totally ma-detach yung sarili mo sa connection na to. Sabi ng masculine, he feels energetically attached pa rin sa connection na to, but for now, parang gusto niya munang mag-step back, mag-isip, i-assess yung situation. Nagkaroon ng maraming resentment na sa connection na to, kaya nagkakaroon ng like holding back of offer of love. But hindi ko nakikita again na tapos yung connection na to because you're still trying to figure out kung paano pa rin unawain ang bawat isa. Okay? The Seven of Pentacles energy is like Taurus, you might be dealing with a Virgo. May strong Virgo yung person mo, okay? Taurus, there's an energy here of you trying to be optimistic about mga bagay na inaayos mo sa buhay mo, finances and relationship. Doon nagkaroon ng mga bad news or mga hindi mo gustong balita and you feel so defeated about this because in-expect mo sana na maging maganda yung outcome but it's like na-disappoint ka because parang hindi yun yung nag-manifest. Okay? You're still looking forward na sana magkaroon ng stability or like next level tong relationship na to. You want victory with your person but sa mga nalalaman mo, parang nadi-dishearten ka na but I feel gusto mo pa rin ilaban tong connection na to. Someone wants to reconnect, reconcile but parang for now is gusto mo nang mag-self-love. Alright. Let's see kung anong meron. Let's see kung anong meron. Remind ko lang ulit kayo ha, hindi ko kayo i-message isa-isa. If you're ready na para sa personal reading, message me. Okay. So, the reason for the reading is sabihin natin nagkaroon ng pagkukulang ang masculine sa relationship na to about this love connection na nagdala ng holding back of offer of love na parang sabi ng feminine, hindi niya maramdaman yung stability. So because of me, flaky and hot and cold energy yung masculine, umatras din yung feminine. At some point ng connection na to is walang nakitang pagbabago sa relationship. Kaya sabi ng feminine is like, sige, kung hindi naman certain yung masculine, aatras din muna ako dun sa pag-offer niya ng love. Okay? And because of that, nagkaroon ng cycle of like holding back of offer of love. You're trying to mirror each other. Okay? Ginawa naman yung lahat para maging maayos sana ang relationship na to, na maging strong. But you feel attached, energetically attached sa isa't isa. May mga dapat pag-usapan about a dishonest energy sa connection na to. But I feel both of you are not ready for the truth. And both of you are trying to step back at wag mo nang pag-usapan kung ano man tong challenges sa situation na to. There's an energy here na may pinagpipray na sana maging maayos na at ma-heal na yung broken heart energy for this connection. Okay? Especially the feminine, nag-hold back siya ng offer of love kasi sobra siyang nasaktan sa kung ano man yung nangyari in the past. So, Taurus, I feel right now hindi ka rin naman ready to fully commit sa isang romantic connection. Probably nagfo-focus ka sa finances or nagkakaroon ng distraction right now para sa'yo. Kaya hindi ka makafocus sa long-term commitment na to. May mga confusion para sa mga Taurus. Are you, Taurus, open for other options in love, or nagkakaroon ng confusion sa'yo kasi parang too much on your plate already? This could be business or ibang mga issues about family, no, na hindi ka makafocus sa love connection na to. Meron ka rin minamanifest na abundance, kaya sabi mo hindi love ang priority mo right now, or hindi ito yung partnership na to. Your person also, marami siyang iniisip about this connection. Sabi niya is kailangan niyang ma-feel yung stability sa connection na to. Sabi niya for now, sige, mag-move forward muna siya or di-distansya muna siya. Meron din namang inaayos yung person mo about their own financial stability. Okay? And the feminine in this connection is parang nagde-detach na rin muna. So, merong mga doubts kung dapat pa bang ituloy ang connection na to or not, okay? If gusto pang ayusin tong connection na to harmonize the loving energy sa relationship, we have here, and I recommend you, the Madagascar Rose Quartz, okay? To balance the emotion, to protect yourself from bad juju, the Madagascar Black Tourmaline Anti-Evil Eye din, okay? So until the end of March, I can see a sad energy here. At sabihin natin yung energy also of like, you need time na mag-isip. This is also the energy of the hermit is withdrawal from the society, na kailangan mo to isolate yourself, to separate yourself from the noise para makapag-isip kang mabuti. Okay? Mental clarity and connection with the divine, stronger connection with the divine, the amethyst crystal. Okay? Lahat ng crystals natin ay cleansed, blessed, ritualized by the enlightened guide. Okay? And I can guarantee you na authentic ang ating mga crystals. Okay? So, any more clarification para sa mga Taurus na until the end of March, may sad energy at gusto na naman ng isolation. Iniisip din ng masculine kung gaano ba din siya talaga ka-ready for a committed connection. May mga revelation sa masculine about his own shadows also. Mga bagay din na dapat muna niyang itama at i-correct sa sarili niya. I feel pareho kayo, kailangan nyo ng time alone para makapag-isip, to balance the situation. Kung magkakaroon man ng sabihin natin cool off or temporary breakup, I feel both of you need that time para hindi rin kayo nagkakasakitan na may energy kasi na parang hindi priority ang relationship for now. And syempre, masakit for the other person to know and feel na lagi na lang siyang kumbaga nasa dulo ng priority list, especially ng mga Taurus. The masculine here ay meron din siyang realization na parang hindi niya kayang i-prioritize ang love connection na to for now. Okay? To balance the energy and heal your heart, Madagascar Rose Quartz, okay? If you have your crystals, you cleanse it, i-sage mo, ipalo santo mo, and then bulungan mo ulit ng manifestation mo, okay? I feel you look at the silver lining ng situation for now at magfo-focus ang mga Taurus sa kung anumang bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, okay? Depende to sa, alam mo yung priority list, kung ano yung number one priority mo for now, doon ka magfo-focus at doon sa mga energies na nagbibigay sa'yo ng happiness. But I feel for both of you, magfo-focus kayo muna pareho sa financial stability. Okay? Pareho nyong kailangan muna ng time na i-balance. Sabi nga is, yung healthy relationship is not 50-50, it's like 100-100 because hindi naman yung person mo yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Because if you feel empty inside, kahit anong effort ng person mo would not be enough. Okay? So, this is like the energy of I'll fill my cup first, and lahat ng overflowing love and loving energy from your cup ay sasaluhin ng person mo. And it's given freely na walang ine-expect na kapalit. Alright? And that would be the Taurus reading. PM me for your personal reading. Bye-bye!